Welcome back. This is the Train Expert channel. We have an OC&T very short tanker train. Let's check it out. I also got this on the live stream before it cut off. Let's check and see if they come by yet. Oh no, we got them in time. I wasn't sure about that one. Yeah, I wasn't sure if the train was going to come or not, because we're stuck by construction. Or unless it went by earlier to... I still didn't see him. Yep, I see you later. Comes a train. Check it out. Roll it. I got the same train I got this on the live stream just a moment ago. We just did 3 live, and this is our first regular camcorder today. I wasn't sure if the train got showed up or not after the construction we had to stop at. Watch out, bird. Yeah, watch out, bird. Got a train coming right about now. There they go. Yep, that's a short tanker train. Very short. That's a short one today. It's one of the shortest tanker trains I've ever gotten. This is the outcode. This is the OC&T number 75. That train originates to Titusville, Pennsylvania, heads south to East Titusville, Pennsylvania, with a couple of service industries like the Oil Creek Plastics and the Intermodal Wax Place is all they do right now. And when they do that, they pick up the empties and head back to Titusville, Pennsylvania, where it terminates. All on this Wednesday, June 3rd, 2023, from Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. There they go. All right, that's going to be it. We'll be back on with the next tanker train after Tom gets the gates open. So, all right, that's going to be it. We'll be back on with the next tanker train. Talk to you later.